All right, welcome back to my Grandpa's Songbook. I've got a great country gospel song for you this evening, and it is sung by the Carter family, but is probably most well known by Roy Acuff in 1938. This was a big song for him. It's called The Great Speckled Bird. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. All the other birds are flocking around her, and she is so despised by the squad. But the great speckled bird in the Bible, she is one with the great Church of God. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She is going to take by and by when the great trumpet sounds in the morning. She will meet our dear Lord in the sky, and all the other churches are against her, for they envy her glory and fame. They hate her because she is chosen, and she has not denied Jesus' name, desiring to lower her standards. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault in her teaching, but really they find no mistakes. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She is going to take by and by, and when that great trumpet sounds in the morning, she will meet our dear Lord in the sky. She will meet our dear Lord in the sky. All right, The Great Speckled Bird by Roy Acuff. There's many other verses to that song. I didn't want to make it a 10-minute video, so I cut a few verses out. And you'll notice I did the traditional country ending that you find this on a lot of old country songs where they one chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, and then drop back. Just traditional country for you here on my Grandpa's Songbook. We'll see you next time.